Hello there, everyone. This is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. Here we are solving and discussing about adverbs in today's video. So, in basic language, what is adverb? Adverb means something which talks about the verb in a sentence. Okay. So let's directly go over to what are the different types of adverbs over here. Let's start off with adverbs of time. Okay. Like already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, lately. These are the types of adverbs of time. And in the examples, I have heard this before. I have not seen him since. I haven't spoken to her yet. She'll be here soon. Okay, so these are some of the examples. Adverbs of frequency means how much or how often something happens. Like always it happens, or usually it happens, normally it happens, often it happens, sometimes, occasionally, once. It's always cold in this room. I normally go to the gym. They often go out for dinner. I occasionally eat junk food. Adverbs of place, like everywhere, nowhere, like that. So here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards. So is that your scarf there? I have lived here for about 2 years. I walked backwards towards the door. She turned her face upwards to the sun. So, yeah, these are some of the examples of adverbs of place. Moving over to adverbs of manner, like how. That's the question, how. So, slowly, beautifully, badly, delightfully, loudly, like these. For example, the soldiers fought bravely. Is that so? She dresses beautifully. We waited anxiously by the phone. Adverb of degree means how much, that would be the question asked to the verb. How much? Almost, fully, rather, quite, do, enough, perfectly. Like, for example, I'm fully prepared. I'm rather busy. She is almost 30. They are perfectly suited. Adverb of affirmation. Like clearly, surely, apparently, obviously, no, undoubtedly. Like, for example, surely you're mistaken. Apparently, it's going to rain today. The design certainly looks good on paper. Okay, so these are some of the examples um, and also the types. We're going to keep it till here today in this video. Let's meet again in the other videos. Before that, if you are preparing for any kind of entrance exams or if you are preparing for any kind of competitive exams, you can join our classes for that. Live lectures, recorded lectures, doubt clearing sessions, study materials, all these are available over here. So do check the description box for more details.